Then, because my view, I'm always like that. I like to start things from there and then going forward. So the trip, basically, the first one, it was all misunderstanding. And the misunderstanding was done through channels of people. I'm not gonna place names and stuff. I'm just saying that that's how things didn't turn out. But I had a very good plan for you guys. So the trip I think changed 3 times. So my bad. Yeah, I just had to improvise from taking messages from different people and communication was blocked for the rest. As I mentioned in the group, I was told that I shouldn't. Then now, yes. No, Anisha, that's the reason why we're here. So I wanted to say, yeah, no stress. So that's what went down. But other than that, the TJ Bonds is the travel journalist. So we go everywhere in South Africa. We explore where there is attractions and actually good life. The reason why the company was started, Mama, was that we have discovered that in fact, it was passionately driven by artists who always want to go America. And then I was like, no, you know that South Africa has luxury and good places that people haven't known. You know? If you didn't die without knowing some of these places. That's what drove this business into existence. And then we started collaborating with property managers like here, and then we're telling them that we are the TJ Point, we curate experiences. We make sure that a client would never ever check in and have problems like you almost did in the case. If I wasn't on the call or Lydia wasn't around, imagine, and there was no one who answers you, and you book online somewhere and you don't know who you're talking to, and the robot is telling you, see you Monday. You understand? So that's where we came into the space where people need to deal with people so that you know this is the person that paid, this is the person that is getting me out, this is my personal itinerary guide, and we make sure we don't leave people to go to trips without us being around the area. We always become available in the area. We have availability 247. Of course, not really 247, but when it's necessary. So, of course, there's many people that have traveled and they've never got their experiences at the peak because they booked the next thing was scam. Most, I think. Yeah, I think there's a lady recently who came to lead on Topela. Who booked with you guys? Then I don't know. They use EPQ as a platform. And then they went there, but when they got there was a space that the house was sold and stuff. That's another story.
I remember not animal
Yes.
Then came two couples. But online.
Yeah.
They were from Butuan.
Yeah.
So but online they pay everything and then when they got there to the place,
Yes.
Whereby they found that
It's not the case.
It's not the place.
Yes.
Kuyapitizela nje yenye into. Baze babuka emthombo ebusuku.
See, so things like that, that's what brought us into the space of the business. And there's another thing that I always say, I always say this thing. It is the strangest business that I've ever came across because it's teaching me as I go. I don't take any client. People come to me, believe me, Mama. They come to me, they ask for trips, they ask, I do this, that we're doing. I ask for interviews. I want to know you. People would have that tendency of saying, we're paying you.
Yeah.
But now you have to understand that you might be paying me 15,000, but the unit or whatever you're going is more than 15,000. And then your property damage, things like that. You could tell if this is not for me. You understand? So I usually go to orientation. So it's one business that is very secluded and exclusive. It's not for everyone.
Yeah.
So if you are hosted by TJ Bonds, it means like you chose us, we also chose you. You understand? I've had so many declines, people with great offers, great money, but I know 2 months down the line I'm gonna have a problem. Especially with the experience, it got me very, very much wiser, Yeah. So speaking of that, so that's why the TJ Bonds is at your service. We are not really travel agents, we are curators. Curators, it means we make your experience for you. You tell us what you wish to experience, we make it for you. All right, done. Straight to business. So, to Devon trip, what I have for you here is documents that have the company legal documents. Number one, legal documents. You will see them. I'm happy going through it. Sorry. Everything that is here, I'm going to mention this is the company legal document, the BD certificate, the CK certificate, your portfolio, and then there's an application where you guys are asking for the trip, and I'm giving you the consent to say, go ahead, you have the trip. And then with your regards, that's why there's a video that has been taken. It's because every time we're talking about this, we need to carry forward evidence in everywhere. On the paper, on the videos and stuff. I think it's going to be on our, there's so many meetings that are on the YouTube, but they're hidden. You can only archive them when you need them. Okay, speaking of this, here you have what we call the application form. That's what you're looking at. The application form that you have basically gives me the information to have about whoever I'm dealing with. Yes, I know I'm dealing with 10 people, but I'll preferably deal with an individual and a plus one as a witness. So the individual becomes accountable, I become accountable in any case. Because now, if you know, for many reasons, I cannot deal with 10 people at once.
Yeah.
They trust you, you trust me.
Yes.
It's kind of situation like that. I cannot deal with you, mom's buying and stuff and stuff. You know, I deal with you, you trust the process, they trust the process.
Yeah.
That's how it works for groups. For individuals, it's easy because they just pay and sign their contracts and stuff, and then they travel. I submit to the property managers, child it. All right, fine. So speaking of this is the application form. So the application form reads as follows: it's a professional grade service agreement, travel service agreement. This travel service agreement is made, of course. This is going to be the name like Mary or you understand.
Yeah.
Between
I need to find a new finish.
you have to, but I don't know. Did you bring your pen? Okay, we're gonna work around that. I'm gonna work around. I'm gonna go by the reception. How about I go? Of course, there's gonna be name. The travel agent, obviously, we address like that in tourism, right? Name TJ Bonds, registration number of the company. You can Google it. You can ask any law institutions. They have this number 25 31 81 92 07. Address 9210 Williams Kwatema. That's the physical address that the company belongs to. And the Innovation TJ is the email address. The number that is there is the number that you always WhatsApp, right? And then it begins. It says the client. It's asked for the name, the address, the email, and the phone number, right? Of the client.
Of me.
Yes, of the client. So in this regard, I will deal with the name of the person. But it does not mean the group is not included.
Yes.
I don't know if I'm making sense.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So and it says scope of service. The appointment, the client hereby appoints the agents to act in their agent to arrange, book, and coordinate travel services. You understand? As requested. Ne? Travel services, the accommodation and breakfast in this one. Plus flight. Why am I saying plus flight? Flight is an independent institution.
Yes.
Yes, we're gonna get the discount because we are a company, fine. But if flight, if blue or if red, it's actually that problem and your problem. But you're gonna get the flight that's gonna take you there.
Yes.
I Basi, not anything less but the flight. Why am I saying that? It's because I don't know anything else about flight by booking them, that's all. So SAA, it's an independent company. So if you go into SAA and you find that this is in a paper, not that it would, you complain to SAA,
Not
not to town. And then SAA will be taken into consideration.
Yeah.
But in accommodation, if you go to it, you find problem, you come to me. Breakfast, you find problem, you come to me. And the trip as a whole, you find a problem, you come to me. You understand?
Yes.
So that's where you say accommodation plus don't so that it shows that it's separating. Okay. Service provided, agency will provide the following service based on the client's specific request, which may include but not limited arrangement of flights, accommodation, and ground transportation. Arrangement of accommodation, that's your mentioned house that we already booked and so forth. And then flights, that's your flight for 10 guests. And then ground transport will be from airport to the house.
Yes.
From the house back to airport. And then the itinerary which you will get after we have settled certain payment procedures, where you will visit. If you want to go to Mhlanga Rocks, where whatever, you're going to have a piece of paper. All of you are going to have those copies. And then you're going to take my meeting. Let's go to this, is cheaper. Let's go to this. That's up to you. That's a group decision.
Yes.
We don't take that money. We don't have that money. That's up to you. You do it the way you want. Yes. But in this one from Isaiah, content, like we're going to document you videos and stuff for YouTube and all that. That's all. Right? Okay, moving forward. Booking of tours, excursions, and activities. Completion. That's the booking of tours is actually what I just said now.
Yeah.
Compilation of detailed itinerary. It's when I say this is your house in Jimistin, Devon. I'm making this up. 5 meters away, there's Umshaga Marine. I'm just saying.
Yes.
That's what your itinerary will say. Your house, by the way, is next to the beach, so don't worry. You just walk into the beach. It's a beach house. All right. Comprehensive briefing. The agency agrees to provide the client with proactive and throughout communication about their upcoming trip, including information on local hotspots, recommendation attractions, updates and advice on destination to ensure smooth and enjoyable trip, guidance and requirement and required travel, passport, visa, and health requirements. Okay, what am I saying here? I'm saying that I agree that I will be communicating with you in regards to weather. Guys, we are going to Durban tomorrow. The weather will be like this. Please get extra jackets. Guys, the weather won't be like that. Get something warm. Basically, things like that. The what's this? The legal documents like your IDs if they are required, things like that. Passing to the airport, your tickets, things like that. I'll handle that for you. It means even in the airport, there will have to be someone from the team who has to support you to go through the terminals and then boarding the flight. And then once you're boarding the flight, you will also meet the other team in Devon, but I'll be in Devon already when you come, basically. Yes. All right, so moving forward, right? And then down there, Mama, you will notice that there's legal information about the company, TJ Bonds Pty Ltd, physical address, innovation, nothing actually that I didn't mention above. You see those small letters, that's the fine print. And for instance, you say, hey, my fine print this now, I told now. And then that's the account number for the clients when they make their payments sometimes. All right, then we move on to the second page. It says the agency role. Agency roles and limitations of liability. Booking agent. The agency acts solely as booking agent for independent debt suppliers, including airlines, hotels, operators, cruise lines, and transportation companies. The suppliers, the agency is not the provider of the travel service.